And everyone, back again with another video on the ST. Today we are going to be fitting some disc backing plates on the rear because mine are corroded, and also some hub-eccentric axle spacers because the wheels on this, they need spacing. Okay, so make sure your car's jacked up. Let's get the wheel off. It's one side. Just put the car in gear as well, just to make sure. Happening, everyone. Sorry I didn't record the removal of this side. Yeah, the bolts were pretty rusted, and I've had to smash sockets on all of them, as you can see, and even the ABS sensor bolt I had to bash on a little socket onto. But yeah, as you can see, these are a bit past their sell by date. Right, so bit of a nightmare. Recorded me drilling out all the rivets and stuff, but obviously it didn't catch the recording for some reason. But yeah, I mean, we've drilled them out, but I don't have the correct size rivets, and not only that, in the actual hub here, part of the rivet is stuck, so it might have protruded anyway. I mean, it will be fine because you've got, see, 4 bolt holes going through, which should hold it on. It's just going to be a bit of a pain in the arse now, being that I've got to put obviously a backing plate on, a spacer, and obviously the hub itself, but it shouldn't be too bad. We'll just get one of the spacers out of the packaging, and luckily it comes with a set of brand new bolts. So much for this video, guys. Sorry about sort of not talking in between the scenes and saying what's going on. As you can probably tell, the driver's side gave me a bit of grief. Obviously the bolts all being corroded and I'm having to smash sockets for like 2 sizes too small. I think they're originally a 14. I had to smash a 12 mil 12-sided socket just to literally get them off on both sides. Same with the ABS sensor. I had to smash, I think, a 7 mil onto that, and that should have been sort of like an 8 or a 9. But it's one of them things, you just got to roll the punches. So a lot of it will be time lapse, but what I'll do is I'll get some shots of it tomorrow. Obviously when there's a bit of daylight, because obviously daylight's running out quick now. But yeah, car looks much better. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a bit of a crap video compared to the other lot, but stay tuned for the next one. See what happens.